Mopresiednte Ramaphosa o ile a hlongwa dipotso tse malebana le maano a hae a ho fedisa mohato wa kimollo ya motlakase.
A range of initiatives are currently underway as a matter of urgency to address the load shedding that we are going through right now. This work, which is being managed by the National Energy Crisis Committee, which is lodged in the presidency and coordinates the various departments, includes ensuring that the units at Kusile are brought into commercial operation.
DA kupile Mopresidente ho hlalosa maano a mmuso a ho lefa sekoloto sa Eskom ha ka lehlakoreng le leng EFF e ne e batla ho tseba ka bokamoso ba mohlanka wa phethahatso wa Eskom Andre Director.
With respect to the position of the Group Chief Executive Officer of Eskom, the Group CEO was appointed on a 5-year contract in January 2020. The Group CEO reports to the Eskom board.
Ntlheng ya ho fediswa leano la tekatekano meetleng ya khiro, Mopresidente o re leano leo le tlilo tswela pele molemong wa diphetoho.
Let's be clear. The whole concept of BEE is enshrined in our constitution. It is a constitutional imperative. There's just no way any one of us can run away from that reality and dispute the fact that the constitution is very clear.
Mopresidente o boetsa botswa ka maemo a hlokang tekatekano, twantsho ya ho fetoha ha climate le ho akofisa manane wa ntshetsopele ya meralo ya motheo.